Hey everyone, and welcome to another SFX pimple kind of combination pop. So in this video, stick around up until the very end and watch it pop if you guys do want to see the kind of little squeeze and the oozing out. You guys can probably hear cars in the background, sorry for that. But anyways, so getting straight into this, so I pretty much started by applying a shit ton of latex to my skin, and I'm doing this on my thigh. It's so much easier when you do any pimples on your thigh because you can obviously use two hands to squeeze the pimple. You can get real deep down under there and squeeze it just as you should. So yeah, pretty much going in with some latex. I applied lots and lots of latex. I don't even remember how many layers I put through, but I did put a shit ton. Anyway, and then I picked up this little brush, which I probably shouldn't have because, remind you, this I done early in my SFX days. So yeah, pretty much I blow dried each layer of the latex. Then see those little holes that I've done? They're already the little pocket sockets of the pimples that I'm going to pop. So I'm picking up the tweezers now and pretty much lifting up the kind of pockets and pinching them and pulling them up just until the kind of little, they sit where I want them to sit with the whole. So you don't want to try to squeeze and lift up as much latex as you can, because if you do, that's just going to rip it off from the sides of the skin, and that's not what you want, because then when you go to put your pussy substance in, it'll literally just kind of go and plat and splat everywhere, which is not what you want. But in this case, this is what happened with this pimple. But it's okay. It's not satisfying, but it is satisfying. But I don't know, like for me, any pimple pop is satisfying. So like, if you find it satisfying, good. I appreciate that. If not, sorry. Anyway, so now I pretty much picked up my syringe and I put my Pussy Secret Substance sauce in there. And I love making pimples look real infected and gooey and gross and green. So I made the secret sauce green. And then you can see the little hole that I done there. I stuck it in there, and I don't want to push too far deep in, because if I do so, then it'll kind of splurt everywhere. But if you do create enough like layers and strength on the skin of the latex, then you're going to be fine. But in this case, I wanted it to be shiny and kind of looked real, kind of like almost like a zombie, like a zombie alien kind of eggy kind of look. And see how that just splits. Oh my god, so satisfying. I love it. Anyway. So I'm continuing, pretty much just added more and more because I felt like, you know what, that's not enough. And the little mistake that I've probably done looking back at this now, because I'm obviously much more experienced, is leaving it in for far too long. But this is the squeeze. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, watching my videos as you always do. Guess what? We're almost up to 700 subscribers. Go and subscribe right now if you haven't and support me out. I want to get to 1,000 by the end of this year. Like this video, share it, and all that good stuff. I'll see all you beautiful people super duper soon. Bye!